Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we will be solving pattern 8 problem. The problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. So it's in this order. For the last index we have 1 star, 3 star, 5 star, 7 star and 9 star. So let's try this problem. So first we'll go ahead with the first iteration, I less than n, I plus plus. So this will tell us how many number of lines we need, that is the n number of lines. And within this, we have to write a for loop for spaces and we have to write for loop for printing stars. So first j is equal to 0, j less than I, j plus plus, we'll print our system dot print the space. This is for space. And now for printing stars, we have to print, we see the pattern that it's in the decreasing order of odd numbers, starting with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So for that, we'll, for, for int j is equal to 0, j less than, for printing odd numbers, we have a formula that is 2 times our n minus I minus 1. So if you think about it, if you calculate this for the first index, that is 0, we would, n is 5, so n 5 minus 0 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So for the first iteration we'll get 9 stars. When I becomes 1, this will become 5 minus 1 4, so 2 into 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So the next iteration we would get 7 stars. So let's print a star here. Let's print the star. And after every iteration, after the iteration of printing spaces and star, we have to leave out new line so that the next iteration comes in the next line. So we'll print ln, leave it out. Let me run this code. So both the test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. So all the 22 cases have passed. Thank you, friends.